Managing diabetes effectively involves not only daytime practices, but also crucial nighttime habits. Implementing specific routines before bed can significantly influence blood sugar levels and overall health. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule is fundamental. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your body's internal clock, promoting better sleep quality and aiding in blood sugar control. Monitoring your blood sugar levels before bedtime is essential. Understanding your glucose levels at night enables you to take necessary precautions to prevent nocturnal hyperglycemia or hypoglycemia, ensuring stable blood sugar throughout the night. Selecting appropriate bedtime snacks can have a positive impact. Opt for snacks rich in protein and healthy fats, such as a handful of nuts or a hard-boiled egg, to help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. Engaging in light physical activity during the evening, such as gentle stretching or yoga, can improve insulin sensitivity and promote relaxation, contributing to better sleep quality. Limiting screen time before bed is advisable. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. Consider turning off electronics at least an hour before bedtime to enhance sleep quality. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine is beneficial. Engage in calming activities such as reading, listening to soothing music, or taking a warm bath to signal your body that it is time to wind down, facilitating better sleep. Preparing your bedroom environment can significantly affect sleep quality. Ensure your sleeping space is cool, quiet, and dark to promote restful sleep, which is vital for effective diabetes management. Organizing your medications and supplies for the next day can reduce stress and ensure preparedness, contributing to better diabetes management and peace of mind before sleeping. By incorporating these nighttime habits into your routine, you can take significant steps toward better blood sugar control and overall health. Remember, small changes can lead to substantial improvements in managing diabetes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next video.